Dreaming of the perfect escape? Discover this newly renovated gem near Lobo tennis and golf heaven. I'm Fred from Mapro Knight Frank. Step inside this two-bedroom, semi-detached villa with seamless design, where tradition meets luxury. A spacious two-bedroom, single-story traditional property situated near the Lobo tennis area, with an area of 182 square meters, featuring high ceilings, a beach-style kitchen with a separate laundry and minimalistic bathrooms. With a micro-cement floor and wall finishing flow throughout the entire villa, juxtaposing the beach-style fully fitted and equipped Bosch kitchen. From cozy suites and the spacious living areas to a private poolside retreat, this villa is an ideal lock-up and live with rental potential. Ready to make it yours? Book your tour today. Find more information about this listing with reference 4013 on our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.